There we go. Is that it better? Better, better. About 2 years ago, I was at the Hubbub, and I first heard about Soapbox. And I came out to do some Muppetry, Muppet interpretations of, I sang the Lovin' Spoonfuls, Summer in the City. And it seems like classic rock works well, so I went with another classic rock tune. And this is one you'll immediately recognize, so bear with me here. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rings. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert with a horse with no name. It feels good to be out of the rain. In the desert, they can't remember your name. Out of bed, out of water, and give you no gain. La 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 la. After 2 days in the desert sun, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days in the desert fun, I was looking at a riverbed. And the story it told of a river that flowed made me sigh to think it was dead. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It feels good to be out of the rain. In the desert, they can't remember your name. For the great round to give you no gain. After 9 days, I let the horse run free, cause the desert had turned to sea. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There were sand and hills and reeds. The ocean is a desert with life underground and a perfect disguise above. Under the cities lies a hard middle ground, but the humans will give no love. You see, I've been through a desert on a horse with no name. It feels good to be out of the rain. In the desert, they can remember your name, cause there ain't no one for to give you no blame. Your